Welcome to the next video of our complete engine rebuild guide. In this one we will remove the flywheel fan cover as well as the cylinder cooling shroud. In today's video we will take a look at what tools we need to complete this job, a step-by-step guide on how to complete it, and in the end we will do a hardware roundup to make sure that we do not lose any of our precious hardware. To make following the content easier, you can pause this video at any moment. That said, let's take a look at what tools we need. For today's job, we will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a ratchet driver, and an 11mm socket. With our tools ready, let's take a look at the step-by-step guide on how to get this job done. Before having access to stuff on the engine, we should remove the flywheel fan cover and the shroud. In order to remove the flywheel fan cover, we need to remove the 3 bolts that are situated to the left, to the top, and to the bottom right near the exhaust, using a flathead and a Phillips screwdriver. There will be a separate episode on engine stands. Please keep an eye out for it. To remove the cylinder shroud completely, remove the M7 nut that is attached to a connecting nut attached to one of the cylinder studs. Unplug the spark plug, loosen the cable, and the cylinder shroud should come right off. In this case, the nut loosened through the shroud and is still stuck in there, but you can easily loosen it up and remove the nut and the bolt. Before we put away the hardware, let's make sure we have everything. We are left with the metal flywheel fan cover, a M6 Phillips bolt with its washer, and 2 flathead M6 bolts. The bottom one was holding the shifter box cover. We have already taken that off. If the nut and the bolt were stuck inside the shroud, loosen them up and you will be left with a M7 bolt, a washer, a connecting nut, as well as the plastic cylinder shroud. Thank you for watching. Click here to get to the next video in this series. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you like this, you can support us on Patreon. The link is in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.